Hey everyone, Chris Cunningham here with how to format any micro SD card, a USB drive, or a flash drive or thumb drive that's more than 32 gigabytes to the Fat32 file system. Now this is in response to my Tesla Cam dash cam video that I produced. People have had problems with Windows not being able to format a drive more than 32 gigabytes. So this is exactly how you do it. So here is my drive right now plugged into my computer, called the Tesla Cam drive, and I have my Tesla Cam folder, which obviously you need for your dash cam viewing. Now, for anyone who's looking to format any drive, the website that I'm using is right here. It's called Ridge Crop. I'll link to this in the description of the video. This is a free little simple utility that it's an executable file. It's self-running, and it will format any drive for you, no matter what the size. So this website is a little confusing. You don't want to click the Start Now button, so don't click that. What you want to do is go over here to this picture here. This is what the interface looks like. So you want to actually click on that picture, and then you'll see just downloaded here. I just downloaded it previously too. So then you just grab that file on your computer. I got it right here on my desktop. Simply double click on that, and then here's the utility. This is exactly what it looks like. So that was my F drive that I was using for my Tesla Cam footage, as you can see here. So I will close that. It won't format if it's in use in another window. So this is the drive I want to format. That's what I've already had the name as. You always want to keep this allocation unit size to this default 32,000 and change, and then you can call it whatever you want. I'm already calling it Tesla Cam. I'll just call it Tesla this time. And there is a quick format option. I'll just show you that so you can see how quick it goes. Confirming that. So you can see here results are done. So it formats real quick. I don't necessarily recommend the quick format option just because it can be problematic if you have a corrupt drive. So it never hurts to do the full format. That does take a few minutes, but I think that's something definitely worth doing. So if we go back into this F drive now we'll see the folder is empty because it was just formatted. If you're following this video for the Tesla dash cam footage, you do want to add that folder back in. So you just create a new folder. I'm going to call this Tesla Cam, and you're done. Now you can just plug this into the USB port in your car and you're all set. Again, check out the video I did on that. I'll link to that in the description. It shows exactly how you can set up your dash cam, but this format utility process works for any drive that you want to format. So hope you found this helpful. Make sure to click like and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos like this, just trying to find some problems that people are facing that there's easy solutions to and provide you guys a walkthrough for them. Hope you find this helpful. Thanks.